Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add a payment method in WordPress. Whether you're setting up an online store or just want to accept payments on your website, this guide has got you covered. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have your payment system ready to go. First, let's log into WordPress. Head over to wordpress.com and click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster login, select Continue with Google and choose your Google account. This is a quick and secure way to access your dashboard without needing to remember a separate password. Accessing the site editor. Once you're in the dashboard, find and click Edit Site in the Quick Links panel. This will open the site editor where you can make changes to your website. Here, look for the plus icon. That's your gateway to all the blocks WordPress offers. Click on it and then select Browse All to see everything available. Adding payment methods. Now comes the important part. Adding a payment method. Scroll down to the Monetize section. Here, you'll see options like PayPal, credit card payments, and other popular payment gateways. Click on the one you want to add and it will be inserted directly into your site. You can customize it as needed to match your website style, saving and verifying. After adding your payment method, don't forget to click Save to secure your changes. It's also a good idea to double check everything to make sure your payment settings are correct and fully functional. This ensures your customers can pay without any issues. You can also explore additional features to enhance your site and make the checkout process smoother. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your WordPress site. Now, your website is ready to accept payments seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.